said.
Dandelions, you leave him alone. He knows what he's doing.
He's always trying to get to the bridge back.
That's right.
And always trying to save with Flower and Leafy back.
Here I go.
For the toys, and remember, Umi friend.
For the colony.
And remember, and look out for contestants and
for oppressed ants everywhere. Colony, and for oppressed ants everywhere.
Wait, let me come with you. Leafy, Flower, and Dusty Coin. I'm third of our funny trio. We'll go down in history.
Flower, Leafy, I'm glad to see you again. Yeah, you are best friends, guys. You guys are friends, and
Leave us alone.
you can come with you for yours, Flick. Okay, good idea.
I think you dropped something, mister.
Jesse, give it up, Bart. You've reached the end of the line. I always wanted to go up.
Has Zigzag for this train track over here. Line it out with a
bang. Just wanted to go out with a bang. Hate to leave early, but our ride is here. It's me and the kitty, Sheriff. Take your pick. Woohoo! Try not to win.
Flickin'!
Bullseye.
Yeah.
Hold them steady.
Woody, hurry!
Hit the brakes.
Woody!
Trio.
Whoa.
Another piece of track is missing.
Tell Flower, Scott!
Fix it.
I'm okay.